Nadwatul Ulema, a historical and scholarly overview. Nadwatul Ulema is one of the most renowned Islamic educational institutions in the Indian subcontinent. Established in 1894 in Lucknow, India, it has played a crucial role in the intellectual, religious, and reformative movements of Muslims. The institution was founded with the aim of integrating traditional Islamic sciences with modern disciplines to create a well-rounded system of education. Foundation and background. During the late 19th century, several Islamic seminaries, madrasas, were established in India, such as Darul Uloom Deoband and Mazahir Uloom Saharanpur, which focused on preserving classical Islamic teachings. However, some scholars felt the need to introduce a more comprehensive educational approach that combined traditional Islamic studies with modern knowledge. This led to the establishment of Nadwatul Ulema in 1894 by prominent scholars, including Maulana Muhammad Ali Mongeri, the first Nazim of Nadwa, Maulana Shibli Nomani, Maulana Abdul Hai Farangi Mahli, and other distinguished scholars of the time. Their vision was to produce scholars, ulema, who were not only well versed in traditional Islamic knowledge but also equipped to address contemporary challenges. Objectives of Nadwatul Ulema. Nadwatul Ulema was founded with several key objectives. Combining traditional and modern education, ensuring that scholars, ulema, could engage with contemporary issues alongside classical Islamic knowledge. Promoting research and intellectual development, encouraging deep study in Islamic history, fiqh, jurisprudence, and modern sciences. Training scholars with practical and ethical excellence, ensuring that graduates serve as role models for the Muslim community. Advancing Islamic literature and journalism, contributing to Islamic discourse through magazines, journals, and academic publications. Prominent scholars associated with Nadwa. Several scholars have played a significant role in the growth and intellectual impact of Nadwatul Ulema, including Maulana Muhammad Ali Mongeri, the founder and first rector of Nadwa. Maulana Shibli Nomani, a great historian and thinker, who modernized the curriculum and introduced research-oriented studies. Maulana Sayyid Suleiman Nadwi, a historian and biographer, best known for Sirat an-Nabi, a remarkable biography of Prophet Muhammad. Maulana Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi, Ali Mian Nadwi, a 20th century Islamic scholar whose works on Islamic thought, history, and spirituality had a global influence. Curriculum and educational system. Nadwatul Ulema follows a unique curriculum that